Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have DYSON Zone headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily download the app for your Android phone. Let's get started. First we have to go into Play Store and then click search. Now in the search tab we have to search for DYSON and now we have to click search. As you can see, the first one is My DYSON from DYSON Ltd. Now we have to click on it and click install. Now we have to wait a moment until our app installs. And now our app is installed. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.